What's up, y'all? It's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another Savage X Fenty haul. And this is all basically basics that I had purchased on my latest endeavor. And the last time I did it, it was around the holidays, and then this time it happens to be around the Rona. So it did kind of take a while for me to receive my items, but I'm so happy that I got them. And so I wanted to do a haul the same day that I got them. And so at the end of the video, I will be doing a try on haul just to let you guys see how it looks on the girl of my skin tone, so that you can kind of get an idea, and just so that it can be an actual try on haul. Very big on the matching bras and panties, and so I wanted to make sure that I can revamp my closet and almost have like all of my stuff be matching. I just think the older that you get, the more that you be into that type of stuff, and you shouldn't really be doing it for a man. You should be doing it for yourself, and then when a man see it and he like it, it's just a bonus type of thing. So let's get into the first of me showing you guys what I purchased, and then at the end of the video, like I said, please stay tuned and watch the whole video so that you guys can see the actual try on haul. Okay, so the first one that I got was, it's not like a thong or a T-back, but it's not a full back panty, but it did come, I don't even know what you call these. I don't even think they Bermuda panties or whatever. But this is how the panties look. It's kind of like a shimmery color. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's sheer and it's shimmery. And it's almost skin tone, so almost look like you're not wearing anything, ladies. And it's very breathable, it's stretchable a little bit, and as you can see, this is the tag, so you can see that it's Savage X Fenty, and they don't have the prices on these. I think they are mostly all turning into where they don't show the prices, because I have the same thing with Fashion Nova. So I think they kind of do it if you wanted to do it as a gift, so that the prices is not sitting there. You don't have to worry about like marking it up or anything like that. I think that's why they do it. So I don't have the exact prices, but I will try to list them below after the video. So with the bottoms, I did get the nice bra that goes with it, and it's like a bralette. Once again, very breathable. It's an everyday bra. It's something you can wear to work, to the grocery store, to the gym, to your boyfriend's house. You know, you can just really be very flexible with this bra. And I really love this bra because it just looks like it's going to be very, like I said, breathable. It doesn't have any type of wiring. I love that. So as long as it sits my tits up very well, and it's not a wired bra to where I have to worry about it puncturing through the cloth, the fabric, when washing and things like that, that's a win-win for me. So this is the top that I got to go with it, and then this is the bottom that I got to go with it. So like I said, it's not a thong or a T-back, but it is not a full back as well. Shimmery sheer color. Hopefully you can see it a little better when I try it on. And that is the first outfit. The second outfit is very similar to, if not the same, to the first outfit. It's just all black. Once again, shimmery sheer. And this is the back. Not a thong T-back, but it's like the one in the middle. It's not full back or anything like that. Make your buns look really good. Make your body just look very fit and put together. Stretchable, breathable, and the tag. You can't go wrong with this type of material. So I can't wait to put this on. Like I said, it's every day. It's nothing that you have to worry about, oh, I can only wear this on special occasions. It seems like it's going to be very breathable, very workable, and very long putting, to where you can like wear for a good amount of time without it feeling like you have on a bra. Like, I hate that feeling. This is the top that goes with it. Once again, it's very similar, if not the same, to the beige outfit that I got, the beige set. It's just a different color. I didn't get to mention, I think I forgot to mention that on the sleeves of these, on the straps of these, it does say Savage X Fenty, and I think that is so cute. That is such a cute touch. I really love that about the bra. let me just see where you got it from. You know what I'm saying? Because these are not cheap. So yeah, this is the black one that goes with it. Once again, the price tag is not on it, but I would try to put the link to the outfit down below with the price. And this is the tag for Savage X, so you know that is legit. The third one that I got is my favorite, even though I already have a Savage X bra this color. I kind of thought this was more of a orange color, so I got this one, but I think it's actually red. But I love the panties the best because these are the panties, and they say Savage X Fenty all around the panty strap, and it is more of like a, I guess you could say like a tea bag thong type of situation. It's very stretchable. It's more stronger than the other two. The other two, getting them up was like a little, like, I hope I can get these up without ripping. But this one is more durable, I can say, because it's cotton and not like a mesh silk material, if that makes sense. So these are the bottoms that I got. I know I will have these for a while, and they are very sexy. You can't go wrong with red. I feel like it matches my hair, and it just looks very cute. The top that I got to go with it is this top, cotton material. The other one is more of a mesh material that I had on my other haul. This one does not, oh no, this one does actually say Savage X Fenty. So all of my bras say Savage X Fenty on the straps. This one is cotton, and that's the only difference between this one and the other two. So this one may last longer through the wash and everything like that. I also think it's a cute touch to put this little design at the bottom, and it actually says Savage X Fenty as well at the very bottom of the strap. Very cute. And then it also has the logo. Y'all know how I feel about gold and red in the middle of the bra as well. The other two, I don't believe, no, the other two doesn't have that. It's just basics, really what it is. And then this one is kind of a little bit ba-ba-boom. Like I said, this is the tag for Savage X Fenty. And you know, I have this to go with the panties. And then I do have the other red outfit on my first haul. That is Savage X Fenty. And then I have the other two, which is the black and the tan skin tone color one. So I am so excited, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like I said, I will be doing a try on haul at the end of the video. So thank you so much for staying tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your family, and your boo thing. And y'all stay tuned for the try on haul.